Talking about new song, you see this Rush video, Bella Shmurda.
Yeah, I said the video.
Let's ask Bella Shmurda fan.
Who be Bella Shmurda fan?
The last time you were here, you were defending Bella Shmurda.
I better go and watch that video. Who is that? I better go and watch the video. And then put the link.
Yeah.
Bella who?
You were okay, so you don't know.
I was not.
No, you were defending Bella Shmurda because we're talking
Defending
about Bella Shmurda, Omale, and Lekon, if you remember.
I think I went with Omale, if I remember.
At the end, but when I was saying Omale and Bella Shmurda, you were like, street now, Bella Shmurda, this, that.
No, I better go and watch that video. If you want to put, why do you put Bella
Shmurda
with Omale?
Omale is higher than Bella Shmurda. Like I told someone, I've forgotten. Like Bella Shmurda is kind of popular, like, but if you put 15 guys here now, they have they heard of Bella Shmurda? They might tell you yes, but if they see him, will they recognize him?
We no need to see.
You don't need to recognize him.
It was the video. It was the video.
Okay. So now. Last one that denied Jesus.
But you know the thing is, like, artists, there's no how you will like Davido now. There are some songs that you feel and some songs you not feel. But okay, I don't know if it's true, but maybe I might have defended him then. But maybe because of the songs that he put out, and I like the song. But this Rush video, I'm not really like sat down and listened to it. There was a time I think I watched the anime also, and I've noticed that most times animes video are always more better than they bring the real official video. I think I just randomly picked the. I just saw the anime of Rush one time. I didn't really watch it, like pay attention to it. I think I was doing something, so I didn't really concentrate. But you know, I don't know how I feel about the song though.
Not the song, the video.
I know. For me to feel a video, I need to feel the song.
So you don't feel the song. The song was trending now. The song is nice.
That I'm saying, like, I've not really sat down to feel the song, so I can't really say anything about the video.
What about the video? We watched the video before we started.
I was not concentrating. Like, I was not
Because of the boobs in the video.
You know, get
lost concentration.
Like, I was for me to like a video, I need to understand what the song is saying, like the lyrics and what is. Let me match it up to the audio, to the song itself. So I can't just really give my review like that. Maybe if I go home now and watch it and I'll drop comments in the comment section that this.
So what do you think about the naked girls in the video?
Okay. Well, there will always be naked girls in the video now.
No, but that one like got a lot of like reaction on Twitter, on social media, and people.
Not be today. Now only
before the video dropped, people were already tagging NBC to go and ban the video.
He's not the first person to do video with naked girls now. So what's the issue?
No, but this one was like a bit kind of.
They said the song did not the video did not
interpret the song.
That's exactly what I'm saying. Like, I can't.
We're watching now.
I can't.
So what do you think about the video?
The video is okay because it's still back to that.
This is our video director.
It's still back.
The last episode, I said I didn't like Ginger video.
I didn't like it too. Trash.
Thank you. Him and Donnie is because they are video director, they are supporting video director. Oh yeah, come and tell us about it.
It's still like back to Sanclef, Bonbon. Okay, you are saying this thing is bad. At the same time, you're celebrating it. Most times, women say it's men that try to objectify their bodies, but they are the ones that do it more. When there was this,
let me
put my light in something like how many people? It was women. They were selling themselves.
No. Wait. Let me. Like, I don't want to say cut you there. Yeah. The thing is like, remove moral from all these things.
Yeah. If you
let's
moral,
there's nothing there now.
No. Let's
all the waka naked for streets.
No. Let's look at from art's point of view.
Yeah.
You get my own. Like we can also look at morals, but is the video the naked girls didn't show any. To me, it didn't show any art. Like the girls didn't. It was as if the whole attention of the whole concept of the video was about the naked girls. Me, I don't care about the morals or whatever. If they like, people should be marking some part of the video. If they believe it's part of art, is art. We should remove this. We should remove this moral. Or this is one of the problem of Nigeria. Moral, religion, all this wala. But the video now, like he just packed like some girls. Did
one space. Block nipple.
Yeah, saying it's only nipple that is part of this thing. The whole thing is skin.
Even when you watch like the Cardi B, Nicki Minaj, like when they did WAP, like it was all like it was, even though like it was almost the same concept, but it was well arranged. Like there was choreography, there was dancing, there was story. You get this one? I don't know.
Just did the
most times is the whole creative industry. If you smoke weed. Now the concept will come your head.
Wait, I
saw something Naya something.
And if
you know any Naya,
MyG Omari.
No. I saw something Naya.
Yeah, I think so. And if you tell your guys, and they can say, Baba, yeah, let's go for it. So it depends. And I think they wanted to cause that controversy because most times people now these days they know what they are doing. They will do A instead of B and expect you to talk about it. So in that process, they are trending. It's on purpose. They do these things. But most times, you cannot tell me that.
Where they messed up is that they should have released the video instead of that first snippet to see people's reaction.
That way to promote you can't just drop it. You guys drop them now. Okay, expectations. That the snippet. Once that video.
But now the video is not like getting enough views. Because people think they've already seen it all.
Yeah, people
go sponsor them. If you know, they go sponsor them.
I don't think it's like if you want to sell something like they should have just dropped the video once. So like that day now. Everybody like me too. I was searching like what are people talking about? That way people will have gone to watch the video and it will have been.
The snippet was how many minutes?
Maybe like 30 seconds or so.
It's like promotion now to expect.
I get your point too.
That way it should have gotten to more than 1 million views.
Because someone say, why this boy they do like this? His videos are always opposite of his lyrics. So I was like, okay, let me go and see.
So because people have seen that snippet, it just discourage them.
So no, but like Cash App now, the video I really like the concept. They change it. Like maybe they were scared of EFCC, so that's why they make
it look American.
They make it look American and they make it look like they were arrested.
And pushes the morals like so something that people can
learn.
Okay, the vibes are it.
But me, I'm not even against the whole naked people. There have been naked people in a lot of videos, even before we were born. Black and white movies have had naked people. But the thing is, it should go with the art, with the concept, with the storyline.
Storyline exactly.
Trying to sell.
It's a storyline.
It doesn't even.
It's to cause controversy and make people.
Even the studio edit parts. Mr. Director, that place that it was like color, rainbow stuff. Like I was expecting more. It's not just like he was doing like this, like.
You don't have storyline.
And the song has a storyline. You get this, and I'm living lives. I'm living in a rush.
I think I'm first 4 lines or so. I said I never listened to.
That's why TJ and Clarence.
They are the bosses.
Those ones. So go and give them their crown, I beg.
If it's those ones that use naked girls like that,
mad.
Like they will still interpret the craft.
Yeah, use it in something.
Yeah.
They will still.
Even me, I will shoot better video. If I'm going to use like naked girls like that, at least you do something like maybe like Cocaine would do the video that will show something like Scarface, like you're living in a rush. Even the whole concept of the video, why he made that song was after it was a reaction to his performance in the East. Where it was the people were holding, he was performing, he couldn't perform. It was that one, we didn't even know whether it was drug or so he could not perform. Like he wanted to fall down. So it was trending all over Twitter and all that. Then he released that song. So it could have, there's no even drugs in the video. You get that's concept
that to relate to the reason why
the reason of the song and everything.
These boys they need team to work with them.
Well, who go sign them now? Everybody has his for at the moment. Don't just wait sign everybody now. Only 1 or 2 in the money that is at one time. So everybody has his full. Go also yourself.
Yeah, I think Crayon
but that was new song. You don't know what that color. The Crayon guy don't talk. We know they see him like that, Jerry.
Rema.
Now Rema, the guy went off after like what was the last song? Was it Doom? No, was it Doom?
After his first
Rema.
EP, that time,
Rema.
That time when he
together.
Exactly, like when they boosted
Rema
him
just was dropping back
Yeah.
to
back to back. Now I think he went to school to go and learn something, and that came back to drop no Rema, Peace of Mind. They are pushing Rema more than the remaining. And these new guys, is it Ari Styles? Yeah, those are the two people that.
There's something about record label. Like when I've never been to a record label. Like me and my friend wanted to start something like. But what I just know is like when you are like a group and you are doing music, even like when you are in a studio, like people are trying to vibe. No matter what, you that have the most talent, you get with time. It will be showing in the music that you guys are making. The attention of everybody
They have
will
to
start coming on you. And even let's say for example, like okay, what I can talk about like is let's say studio vibe now. Like you that you are really talented and confident in your own music, you get. Most of the time, like studio vibe, they drop beats, maybe like 3 or 4 artists that you are like together.
Just feeling it and
All of you are trying to vibe. There is always one person that always
straight
come on,
straight
chorus,
up.
verse, everything.
you get that always comes with something back to back. Definitely that guy is more talented than the rest of the people.
Yeah.
With time, you yourself you will know.
My feel
Everybody too will know.
They should push everybody. Then it should be like a.
They can't push everybody. They will
It should
push you
be-
first.
Yeah,
So.
it should be a
roster.
roster. Like if you are saying that this person is anytime we enter the studio before they play beats as they are pressing the beats, song is coming. It should be like a challenge to you that you should work on yourself. That next time before the person will say, hey, you said don't drop like five
Exactly.
EPs. So it should not just be one person.
Some people work
Not
on
one
themselves,
person.
but the truth is,
It's not easy.
the truth is,
I'm saying there should be a challenge
the truth is whatever you see that
Sit as a
you okay. Let me explain like this now. You are a businessman. Yeah. When you give me an Ebi things, let's say egg to go and sell, every time, may I sell more than him. Maybe like after 1 month, if you want to like add more and like out of your profit, you added more eggs to your business. Who will you give more eggs to go and sell?
I'll give it to you now, but I'm saying
It's commission.
Yeah.
Some artists also
Not
do
just-
it. But sometimes you
sit
can't
down
do.
there.
Sometimes you can't do more than your talent.
Yes.
That is life. Sometimes you can't do more than your talent.
Do your best.
See those twins that Don Jazzy
DNA.
sign now, DNA. See, they
No,
they
that
can't
I'm
do more
saying
than
DNA. I'm not seeing them. Crayon. I'm not seeing them. Okay, we have
Crayon
seen
is
some of
talented.
Johnny
Yes,
Drill.
good.
We've seen some of Johnny
See,
Drill.
see Johnny Drill.
Who again is there again? There's
That one is
there.
because of his genre of music.
And
So
it's
yeah,
it's with
yeah,
time.
I
It's
know,
going
yeah,
to-
I know the
Just
Johnny Drill
accept
is
his dying
different.
sound.
Yeah, it sounds like
fans are
different.
there.
Yeah,
He has his own.
his own fan base. Yeah, I know. So apart from Rema, Myron Style, and Johnny Drill remaining, I don't know what they're doing there.
You see, Rema and
Fred is
Arista.
coming back soon.
Exactly. Can you imagine? Corey that one of the four. I haven't forgotten he was even there. Sir.
It's because that one went to I think
went to school.
He went to school and I think maybe he was going through some stuff and he had to relax or something. See, Korede is a maximum talent. Let me.
EP.
I'm not. He has an EP. I'll go and listen to it. Let me tell you something about Korede. See, there are some artists that they are blessed. Korede is blessed. Korede doesn't release too many songs, but one song out of a song,
It's good.
it will be like.
Yeah.
Every year, see that one. Do like that. There's what's I've forgotten the last song that he sang. Hey.
Mikasa.
Mikasa, yeah.
See that
Everybody
one.
was-
All over
yeah.
DJ mix and everything.
Feeling it now. Everybody.
So that guy is blessed though. So there are some people like that. But see, Rema and Arasta now, people that came from like a freestyle setting, Instagram setting. They just open Instagram, vibe to one beat, sing. Rema the same thing. They will be inside car, vibe to. Those ones, there are different type of special talent too.
Yeah,
Those type of people now, even you, let's say you're an upcoming artist, if you enter studio with them, so who will catch you? I'm telling you, there are people like that.
Just
If you enter studio, there's some people like this, like
the vibe to anything.
they nothing is in their head though. but immediately they just smell, see that microphone, inspiration will come. They don't even need to smoke igbo.
No.
They don't need to so they are different talent. You now tell me that because of because of what God will say, I will now go and be pushing artists that is not making wave. Oga. His business, he's the person that is tapping. You tap into his.
Nah, road they get roof over their head and they chop food, so free food. Even though they know they sing, free food day.
But it's not easy to sign. It's not easy to sign somebody, artist. You're not gonna be putting them inside
house.
You're gonna put them inside. Be feeding them. You don't go sleep.
You know go.
That one is long thing,
Hey.
So have you?
Hello guys, thanks for clicking. Don't forget to subscribe and like to support this video. Thank you.